Hi guys, and welcome back to the third and final part of our Liberty Walk Mustang vlog. Today is the day where we have the car and we will be showing you what the final piece actually looks like. And I tell you what, I've seen it already and I'm so excited to show you guys. From seeing the car absolutely standard to having a look at how the kit comes in a package and what's involved in building this car, to seeing Tim at Colourcraft actually cutting the arches, it just was so difficult to try and imagine what the finished piece was going to look like. So when I say I'm excited to show you this car today, I really mean it. Well, I won't keep you guys waiting. Here is the Centurion Liberty Walk Mustang convertible, one of one in the UK. So I just want to run through some of my personal favourite features on our Liberty Walk Mustang. Now the clear one is obviously the air ride setup. Now this is an airlift performance. So with this particular model of management, you can control it all from an app on your phone. It also has show mode on there. So if the car is switched off, I can still control the air ride with the car from my mobile phone, and it will shut the power off before the battery dies, so I don't have to worry about draining the battery or coming back to the car after the show and the car not being able to start. So that's a really cool feature within this management setup. Now, we've got to mention the wide arch kit. This is a Liberty Walk genuine kit that is fitted all around the car, from the arches to the side skirts to the front end with the splitter, the spoiler, the rear diffuser, and we've got an exhaust system fitted to the car. Big thanks to Jimmy at Liberty Walk for sourcing all of this and having it all done for us. That's perfect. Now this car sounds incredible. Now this feature that you're seeing on the car right now is rise on start. So that means when you do get in the car and you start it up, if your memory isn't the best, then it will automatically raise for you. Now you don't have to have this feature on, but it is a good feature for safety reasons, so you don't attempt to drive the vehicle whilst it's aired out and risk damaging or breaking anything. So I'll give you a couple of revs with this awesome exhaust system. So another one of the features that I absolutely love is the satin black stripes that run along the car, and cut out in the stripe is Liberty Walk itself. And I just think that on the gloss black car with the satin stripes, it really does create this cool effect, and especially the details that's gone into it. The other feature that I'm absolutely loving is if you pay close attention to the wheels on the car, you will see engraved on the face of the wheels is the Liberty Walk logo. Now that just makes this something special, doesn't it? It really personalizes the car, the kit, and brings everything together. So let's talk about the rear end of the Liberty Walk Mustang. As you can see, we've smoked the rear tail lights. We've got the big Liberty Walk wing on the rear, gloss black diffuser at the bottom, and these lovely shiny exhaust tips. And they're what's creating that amazing sound from this Mustang right here. Now the stripes, they come up to the spoiler and they stop, and that just separates the top of the car to the bottom half of the car. And I think that's quite a cool look, to be fair. As you look back, you can see the roof is down, the lovely cream and black interior on the inside. With the rear arches being as wide as they are, you can tell it's going to create such a presence on the road when you're following behind this car. And boy, are we excited to be taking this out and about and to shows and showing you guys this car in person. Well, there you go, guys, our one-of-one Liberty Walk convertible Mustang in the UK. And it's been an absolute pleasure to share this journey with you guys. So thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you pop down to the comment section, leave a comment in there, give us a like, and hit that subscribe button for more videos that will be coming in the future. Thanks a lot, guys.